Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Hepsa and Abhijit Muli. Today's date is 20th of September 2021 and today's topic is data types. Means today we will discuss about the data types and how what are the types of the data types and how it will be used in the program of in the Java program. So what is data types? Actually the data type is a classification of the data used in the Java program which tells compiler to how it will be used in the Java program and what uses of it. According to it is classified. So let us discuss about the types of data types. Actually the data types is primarily divided into two types, that is primitive data type and non-primitive data type. Primitive data type is again divided into two types, that is Boolean and second one is the numeric type. Then again numeric data type is again divided into two types, that is character and integral. And in character there is a data type called as char, and in Boolean there is one data type called as Boolean. And in integral type data types there is again divided into two types, that is integer type data type and second one is the floating point. In integer type there is again four subtypes is there. First one is the byte, second one is the int, third one is the short, and last one is the long. And if you talk about the floating point is again divided into two types, that is float and double. Let us discuss firstly about the Boolean data type. In a Boolean data type it shows only the true result, that is first one is the true result and second one is the false result. Means Boolean data type is used for only showing the true or false result. Boolean data type is described by the word Boolean, and the default value of Boolean data type is false. If we talk about the second type, that is numeric data type, in it now we will discuss about the character data type. In character data type is described by the word char, and the default size of the char data type is 2 byte, and Boolean data type size is 1 bit. That actually the 1 byte is equal to 1 bit. This is the conversion of the byte into bit. Then now we will discuss about the next data type, that is integer data type. There are totally four types data types are there integer. First one is the byte. The default value of the byte data type, the default size of the byte data type is 1 byte. And if we talk about the short default size of the short data type is 2 byte, and integer data type size is 4 byte. If we talk about the long data type, its size is 8 byte. That's all about the sizes of the data type. If you talk about the ranges of the data type is actually the ranges are calculated from basis of the minus range to the plus range. Means if you talk about the byte data type, then its range is from minus 2 raised to 8 to the plus 2 raised to 8 minus 1. And if you talk about the short, then in short the range is vary from minus 2 raised to 16 to plus 2 raised to 16 minus 1. If you talk about the int data type, then its range differs from minus 2 raised to 32 to 2 raised to 32 minus 1. If we talk about the long data type, then its range vary from 2 raised to 64 to minus 2 raised to 64 to 2 raised to 64 minus 1. That's all about the ranges of the data types. If you talk about the non-primitive data types are again divided into two types. That is, first one is the actually the non-primitive data types have multiple types, but we will discuss about only two types. That is, first one is the string and second one is the array. String data type is used for storing of the binding of character values, character data, and array data type is used for binding of the number data. That's all about the non-primitive data types. If we talk about the char data type, the char data type value is stored. The character values only, but for storing it, the semicolon must be used while describing the character data type, its value. But in case of the int, short, long, byte data types, there will be no any column there will be no any single quotation will be used. And if you talk about the float data type or double data type, then that too are used to store the decimal values. It is all about the types, data types, and its classification. Thank you.